Hello, welcome back to our friendly point of view of innovative technologies. So nice to see you again. Today we'll talk about air and water tightness and how to improve it. Everyone knows that Pro-Lam systems for air handling units are the best. They're durable, reliable, high-tech and show very high level of air and water tightness between profile and corner, especially in systems with an additional screw mechanism. But for those who need something even more performing, we created this guide. This is Neoprene high elastic gasket. It will guarantee you absolute air and water tightness. This gasket was created for panel stop systems 60/50. We have these gaskets in two options, with sticky layer and without. And now I'll show you how to use them. So let's go with corner profile first. We need to use gasket with sticky layer or without. I will go without. We need to attach this gasket to the clean and dry surface of the corner. And then we assemble corner and profile together. Then we need to screw these two pieces. It will squeeze our gasket and we will not even see this. So screw first. And then we need to use our standard profile gaskets. So voila, we are done. This corner profile is absolutely super sealed. Now we will take half omega profile. Here we have two corners, one with this gasket, which we already did before, and another one half omega. Again, here we have two types of gaskets, with sticky layer and without. So you choose. I will go without sticky layer. Again, we attach the gasket to the dry and clean surface of the corner. And then we assemble profile and corner together. That's it. And don't forget to screw them. So we are done. Our omega profile is clean and dry. And now last but not least, part A of the omega joint. So we use this gasket. It goes with sticky layer. So we need to remove it and attach it. And then we have to assemble right here and screw these two pieces together. So I did it before, so I will show you how well I did that. You see the gasket? So we attach them and then we have to assemble. Again, I've already did that. You see? Now our profile is absolutely sealed. As you see, all assembling takes just a few seconds. You don't even see those gaskets, you can just enjoy fruits of its work. Absolute air and water tightness guaranteed. Our gaskets were carefully tested by our engineers and they successfully passed the test. I don't even know what else to wish for, and I don't even know why you're still looking at me. Click and place an order. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.